Mason bees really like the tubes people put out for them to nest in. If you can't get these tubes, or have run out of them, a simple solution is to cut up a standard 2x4 piece of wood into smaller pieces and drill some holes in them. The bees will happily move into this alternative affordable housing option. In this video, I will show you how to build a simple mason bee house using a few pieces of a standard 2x4 lumber piece. Welcome to Nature Yard Life. Start with a simple 2x4. I bought this one as Cullwood for half the price because of a few blemishes. I'm cutting it up anyway, so half price seems reasonable to me. Just gotta get rid of this end piece. I'm cutting these pieces at 6 inches. My drill spade is 5 inches, so that'll leave me an inch to work with for attaching the roof. It'll make sense later on. My, that sure is pretty. Pardon me. Just heading up to the 4th floor. I have to try to drill as straight as possible here. No room for error. Just want to make sure there are no major impediments when our little friends are moving in. I'll spare you the other 3 blocks. You get the point. Let's move on. I'm going to use simple staples to attach these. Why complicate things? just using this scrap piece for the roof.